Alright guys, you know what? I'm actually just gonna market execute this in front of y'all because I honestly want to go get breakfast right now. And that's okay. That's okay for my day trading position right here. 599.99. Like I'll probably spike up the market just a little bit right here. Actually no, I won't at all. It's not even that much. So I just want to show you guys how easy this is. That was a 5% profit today, guys. You guys saw that. It was a 5% profit. I actually it was pretty good, right? Well, the profit would have been 420. Whoa, someone spiked it up same time as me, so I actually bought a bunch as well at 123. So that was a really bad mistake on my part. See the mistake that I just made, guys? I'm the one that spiked up that market there with that bigger order right there. So I should have waited slowly to actually get the position filled. So it could have been like a $450 profit, but I took a $330 profit instead because I wasn't doing it properly. Whatever. I want to go get breakfast. I'm already up $300 on Sunday. It's 10 in the morning. Yeah, that was a good 4 or 5% profit, and it was a small position size, right, guys? You guys saw it. Cheers. Hope you guys got in on it as well. If you are, I'm sure that you can still ride it. Like, just gotta acknowledge the RSI being that high, right? All right, guys, how's it going today? So it's now a little bit afternoon. Actually, it's 1 p.m. already, okay? So I'm starting to shed off the position. If you guys remember the video from earlier this morning where I mentioned my specific positions that I'm taking, which is on Metaverse and on Ethereum Classic as well, you'll have noticed that now we're just going to do a follow-up on it. You'll have noticed that they're both fairly successful thus far, okay? I didn't even need to play anywhere close to 100K. Like I'm okay. Ethereum Classic is just kind of hovering right now. It's doing all right. Okay, so now I'm just shedding off my position size, my position very slowly. So it's really gonna fall down soon, as you guys can notice here. Okay, it's like wow, is it ever just falling off of a cliff right now? Whoa, do you guys see this? It's really volatile right now. Whoa, it's so volatile right now. Super volatile right now. You guys see this? Yeah, so I just want to get rid of as much as I can around this price range. It's gonna be a really good close here. Woo! You guys see this? Just shedding it off. Feels good. Feels good, man, to be able to make a call like this for you guys. That felt really good, guys, to be able to do this. I'm telling you. Right after this, guys, I'm gonna be ordering some good food, man. It's a Sunday. You guys saw me take like a trade earlier today on Metaverse, right? I was $200 up. This trade's gonna be fairly good as well, I believe. Yeah, it's gonna be a super good trade here. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit greedy now, making some bigger walls here that I don't want to put up there to scare the market. But at the same time, I really want to close this position of mine. People are just letting it drop off now. You see this? You see these sell orders? It's coming, guys. But now we get a wick here, right? Because we're kind of low. So we could probably see some rejection now to the downside. Okay. So I just want to make sure that that's very much so understood. I still have about 3,000 left to unload. So if we take a look at very closely here, if you notice here between 3,000, right? If I decide to do a market execution, I would actually be down about 90 bucks because it's a spread difference of about 3 cents there on about 3,000. So I gotta make sure that I shut it off very slowly. Make sure that I minimize, maximize everything, right? You see this right here at 1.62. There's clearly a wall there somewhere, right? That we don't see. So let me just test it to see if there's a wall, okay? I'm just gonna mark and execute right there to see if there's a wall. I'll do 20 just to test. Yeah, 640, there's a wall, okay? Do you guys see the wall at 640? It's invisible right now. He's not letting anyone past it. See, that's what I do sometimes, okay? That's what I do sometimes, guys, just to show, just to test if there's a wall. But you guys saw that right there, right? You guys saw that right there? What was going on? Okay. And the way we were testing it was just by selling it to see if there was something hidden there. So now the next order that we look into here, see, 1640. Do you guys see that? So that's how trained of an eye I have now, right? So I know exactly where the hidden wall is at. And the hidden wall is at 1640 because when this guy market executed, the hidden wall is not in the book. So clearly someone is playing against my positions right now, right? Or the tweets that I've been making as well. So now we just gotta step this up right here, okay? 16, let's go 20 here. I just want to market execute some of it, manage my positions very wisely, start shedding all of this off right here. So this was a wonderful setup today, guys. Since the release of my video, I actually recommended shorting it since about 25-ish, and since then, guys, it's dropped about 8% already. This was the ultimate day trader setup, to be quite honest, right? I'm really happy that a lot of you guys got into this trade right here. I think that it's a very profitable trade for all of us here. Okay, I only have 3,000 something left here. Not that much. If I market execute, nah, still not. Still can't market execute quite yet. Let's see. I'm gonna take out these ones right here actually. See, since we're still not dropping below that, so I'm just gonna keep going at 1641. I'll be very happy with this price that I'm gonna get. I'm cool with that, honestly, guys. Okay, you see the wall up there, right? Yeah, eventually it'll be broken, I'm sure. Honestly, I'm sure it will be broken eventually. Okay. I'm not worried about my Ethereum Classic position yet. It's very neutral. See, it's pretty much break-even price despite it being $70, $80 off over there, okay? So it's looking very good still, in my opinion. Bitcoin's looking very bearish, guys. Like, it's looking super bearish right now. It's looking bearish because it can't break above this, okay? This right here was funny. This one was super funny, guys. This first wick right there, okay? Take a look. It rejected like a lot. Well, you know, relative to the time frame then, right? It went up, it just got shot down right away. Every time it's getting lower and lower our size right now, and I just think it's gonna end up downtrending. So this guy's now getting what's going on, right? You guys see this right there? 1642, he's getting clever. But it's alright, I'm already at my profit line. Extremely happy with everything already. If I spike it up though, it'll spike it up all the way to 19s, and I'm gonna lose out on a gigantic portion of my profit of like $100 at least. So I don't want to do that, guys. I really don't want to do that, right? So now this guy's chipping away at the 43. I'm gonna undercut myself. I don't mind. So notice right here, this was actually a whole like this was crazy how this went from 18 to like 15. So I closed some at very, very low prices, if you guys notice, right? I've only got 2,000 left now. Notice the spread difference is huge, guys. The spread difference is literally like take a look right here. 3 cents right now, right? Huge. That's a 2% spread difference, guys. Wow. So someone noticed that the RSI was really low, so obviously they're like, okay, I'm gonna buy it right now. And I have a feeling there's one more wave up. So after I finish this, I'm done. This could also be the rejection though, okay? Some people might see this as a bullwhip. Might see this as a bullwhip. Right? This could be 1, 2, that's not even 3. That's gotta be 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, still think it's gonna go down actually. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna, you know, like I don't know if I close my 2,000 position here. I don't want to really do that. Like I'm gonna break even pretty much on this 2,000 if I do that, right? So yeah, so I don't want to do that at all. I want to definitely get market executions first of all. So for every 250 that I unload off, that's $5, right? So for every 1,000 with a 2-cent difference, that's $20, right? So I want $20. I want an extra $40 just for making sure that I do this properly, right? You guys do too. So that's pretty good right there. Okay, I'm okay with this. Okay, I'm gonna cancel all of that. And now I'm gonna market execute that. I'm okay with the amount there because earlier the liquidity was really bad. So let's do this, guys. All right. So now I'm gonna exit my position as well for Ethereum Classic. And I just hey, I made the call. We dropped. I told you guys what I was scanning for in the morning. Those who got in the trade, you guys are up 8%, okay? You guys are up 8% right now. That's awesome, guys. I'm so happy that you guys got to join me for this trade. And here we go. Bam, guys. $400 on this simple little trade. Today I got in a lot of movies, played a lot of games of Dota. Right now, guys, my parents are gonna make pho for me, and in the evening I'm ordering some ribs. So now I'm up $630 on a Sunday, and it's only 1 p.m. and I still have this Ethereum Classic position to manage. So if it goes up a little bit, I'm gonna stack this sucker. I don't think that Bitcoin is really gonna break 6,800, just like how Eric Cho said. Guys, congratulations if you were in this trade with me. Cheers.